was the soup?
Wonderful. Cheese chicken in the soup.
Chicks where you eat?
Yeah, rice in the soup. Peas in the soup. Chicken, rice and peas and chicken and the wing. No, man, soup I got deal with it, man. And the cow skin boil out. Because I need oil in a well. Gone for the need them. What? We can't make them think that we just pitchy and I go eat
so
that.
Jerry, you put the rice in the soup and you put chicks where you eat?
Yeah, and chicken.
Remember Jerry in the 90s and early 2000s. When the woman used to go up on stage and fight and we used to see woman panty. I used to watch Jerry before me go to school. I used to sleep on evening shift in high school. Yes. Well, Jata American Jerry, rest in peace to him. We have Fury Jerry in Jamaica. Crazy One done. Do some crazy mix with Jerry and Buttercat and Peanut Dread and some scenes from Third World Cup. And then I long talking, cause somebody say, yo, me like your video them, but you chat too much. So, I jump right into it.
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
Bad cat.
What do you say?
Go feather box the cap up.
Okay, sir.
Where you say?
We not depend that with nobody.
What make you want to tell me that now?
Fuck off and stop dictate to me.
What that for?
Come out me yard, no, man.
So where that for?
Hey, yo, don't wind me up too much, you know.
Then me care.
I take blood clot you. I'll turn that idiot.
You idiot, Jerry.
Yeah, man.
No, brother.
You're alright, you know.
Okay, Jerry.
Then you idiot Jerry. Yeah, man. Okay, Jerry. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, they mixed conversation and they bad. I swear it look like a new thing. So me jump on it. It's stolen property. Crazy One done on TikTok. And I think Instagram as well. No. The next one, one of my favorite, what you call him? Comedian, if you can call him so. Or Dark Horse. Dark Ross. Jerry and Peanut Dread. Jesus, why me keep on saying me third? Run it.
You have ID.
I must have to have ID. I'm a people landlord. I mean, I have ID.
Them change ID again.
I don't know.
If you don't have your ID and your TRN,
Me cannot have ID. I'm a politician.
Rasta, you want to show me?
What you want to see my ID for? Your government?
No,
What you want to see my ID for?
because we are set a good example.
Anybody that push people for ID?
Is what?
The federal agent.
How?
Yeah, we want to see my ID for. If you're not feds.
Come on.
I'm going to feds want to see your ID. Police.
People don't look into this now. Eh?
Tell say you're informer.
Who?
You are informer.
You must see how to bother.
You're sick, man. Something wrong with you.
Jerry Curl.
Jerry Curl. Hey, who remember when Jerry Curl's hairstyle a beat? Yeah, man, the woman them in a Jerry Curls and then some of my man them take over it. Boy, man, them always like woman things them. I swear. Yo, like, left it things them for woman, brother. Anyways, we are moving forward. This Jerry and the bad man, Wani from Third World Cup.
Who you think making inquiries them don't know about the guns them? No, your face different.
Me tell you something.
Me no want to see you chat to that boy that again, you know.
Me not see them. Are you me I see?
I still got dead.
Something wrong with blood clot, you know?
You're supposed to focus and behave like a smart criminal.
This nature, me not doing that back of technology, you know?
But instead you focus on social work.
I better thing, you know?
Wanna work for me?
Right now, my house. One sort out.
I wanna do what I say I must do.
You're crazy. The world right now.
Now, unto your ratty.
Me?
I mean, no say it's unto me.
Me not have time for waste, you know?
It's me, Capone, I talked.
You want that, man?
Me see the runnings.
Where?
One bring in the guns and you fence it.
Me ever strap.
On the run things.
Me can't just have me egg in a one basket, you know?
What are the guns for?
A hustle, where a hustle.
Guns only lead to self-destruction.
Me not have no money.
Me's not a biblical man, innit? But remember,
What?
you reap what you sow.
About this way I deal with.
Me no want to come for you.
Hunt me, I go hunt. Right, you know?
Jerry's a gun dealer. Jerry's a gun smuggler. Jerry say a badness my deal with. What you talk about policeman? Don't come here so come bad up Jerry. Yo, the mix are bad, don't. I swear, me can't stop laugh, man. We have our next one. Jerry and Capone again. And the one bad. All of them bad.
You work for Reverend Scott.
No, sir.
You carry charity bar.
And I'm me do it.
I know you carry the charity barrels.
Oh, you know that?
So how you tell me you don't work for Reverend?
If you talk the truth same time when something happen, you're dead by a morning.
So when they pay you?
10,000, 20,000 every month.
More charity I come up?
I don't know, you know.
And give the ganja?
Yeah.
And give you coke?
No.
Watch me now.
Wait, I said.
Don't tell one is a question you. You understand me?
Why?
I'm going to tell him say you inform upon him.
Fine, wonderful.
Where you come from? They say where you come from.
America, you know.
America? Why? Which part of Jamaica you born?
We move from over Edgewater, over Westmead, and then we move from this to come down here.
You was a wise ass.
I want to tell you, man.
You're one of them who they are foreign and commit all the crime them. A carjacking, extortion, and all type of fuckery. Well, I there for the whole hour now.
Cartel situation make me know some have 3 rights.
As you slip, me in your ass.
Stop telling me them so that like that I put fear in me.
Constable,
Yes, sir.
fingerprint this boy for me.
Yes, sir. Stand up.
Yo, the mix bad. Jerry, a informer in the mixer. Jerry, you need to calm down, you need to chill and stop tell pan one. One you gonna hurt you, you know. One you gonna hurt you. But anyways, man, that was a good laugh. This you know, this a boy send me what you song go? Send me Nicky go to school, Nicky follow man, Nicky gonna man yard. Well, send this at your son go to school. Nick follow boy, Nick gonna a man yard or girl yard or gone. I don't know where Nick pick up, but anyway, report there come. And the boy get F, I must think he mean fantastic. The boy get E, I must think he mean excellent. So his father run him down.
And there is the little boy becoming a man. Lamine Yamal, what a story. 16. What were you doing?
Yo! This a man on a easy, you know, man.
So you're not dating no man right now? Right now I'm single, but I can still feel it that someone is cheating on me. Right now? You know, say, right now the only serious date me have right now is my date of birth.
The general say the only serious date him have right now and date of birth. Jamaica is not a real place and Jamaica full of people who are not real. So Jamaica is not a real place. Jamaicans are not real people. And we gonna end the video with that. I'm not real. Poof. Like the video for me, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section if you like the video. Stay safe and of course, God bless.